We are the misfits. We don't fit in. Our hardest critics beneath the skin. Feels like the strange things always find us. Feels like the world's not quite behind us. Yeah, the truth's the only thing that'll save us. Even if they hate us, when they find out. On the day we find the right way to break out, it's gonna rip my heart out. I got no doubt.